Alright, hi guys, it's Sensei Ashton here. We're looking over Arrays Station 2. Last time, in our last station, we learned about how to make an array, their indexes, their elements, all that kind of stuff. So now we're going to start looking at how we're able to use these arrays, starting first with how we access our elements. So, whenever we want to access something, sometimes in some coding languages we'll actually have to type in .get. However, this time we're just using the array name along with the element we want. In this case, Sensei0 would call Alex back. Obviously, that's our next question, but we do want to keep in mind that all arrays do start at 0, so regardless how long your array is, it will always begin with 0. So once again, that's Sensei Alex being called. Alright, so we're going to be accessing elements. We'll be looking over at some examples for it. So let's look at the outline array below and see which elements are being accessed. First, we have element 0. That's A. Element 4. That would be U. Element 3. That would be O. So, even though we see 5 elements there, it's really listed from 0 to 4, meaning that our 5th element is going to be defined as the 4th one, due to starting at 0. Alright, we're going to look at some more examples, especially within errors. So sometimes when we're trying to grab a certain element, we may accidentally reference to something that doesn't exist yet, or won't exist within the array. So, if we're looking and we are thinking about how our array starts at 0 and the fact that it will end with 4 with our vowels array, which one looks out of place? From assumption, we can see that D, vowels 5, is beyond the 0 to 4 limit, therefore we'll know automatically that this is being called from outside of the bounds of the array. This means that this element does not exist, it's out of the bounds. It's not physically within our array. So, like we just said, 4 is the last part. Alright, we're going to be assigning stuff. So, assigning means to set. And just like .get, some coding languages will have .set be a function. However, in Java, we're just looking at setting it by making it equal to a value. So, let's say we have an array here. We have 3 elements. That means we have an array ranging from 0 to 2. Sean, Mateo, and Terry. However, we're looking at this array and we want to be like, hey, I want to replace Sean with Jackson. So we are going to assign the 0th or the 0 position in the element to Jackson. So then it'll look like Jackson, Mateo, Terry instead of Sean, Mateo, and Terry. Sean does not get moved anywhere, he just simply gets removed from the array. We can do some more examples. So, let's see. We have colors red, blue, yellow. However, we are now setting color 0 to orange. So that would change it to orange, blue, yellow, removing red. Now let's look at colors purple. So we're looking at 0, 1, 2. So then blue will be changed to purple, orange, purple, yellow. And then we have changed the whole thing for it to line up as orange, purple, green by changing the last element in the list to number 2. Alright, we're going to look at some challenges. Make sure you're solving them on the STEM Station worksheet. And just make sure if you need any help, watch this video again, go to the parts you struggled with, and then ask a sensei for help. You can either ask a friend around you as well.